Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn about user password change. This program manages the user password reset and to verify the initial logins. On top of the program, there is toolbar panel, this inquiry button to show the result. And for basic function, we have save button to save the changes. To show the registered information, click inquiry. Select the header row of one of the users you would like to reset, and click Login Info Initialization. There will be a dialog box saying, the user has been initialized. This means the password changes will change the login status to request password change. When the user tries to log in, the user will be led to change password screen. Click Confirm. The system will send you the email asking to change the password. Check your inbox and follow the instruction. You will be led to the new password change screen. Enter your old password and enter your new password 2 times. Proceed accordingly until you arrive on login page. For more detailed searching, utilize the inquiry condition. You may enter it based on the user ID, department, employee, authentication method, employee's type, or login status. Click Inquiry when your condition is set. And that's the final for user password change. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.